Line Equipment, and today we have the Ascaso Steel Uno Professional Espresso Machine. It's a single boiler, dual-purpose espresso machine. It has a multi-directional wand for both hot water and steam. It has a temperature gauge that reads the boiler temperature. This is a great machine for home use. The machine comes with a commercial-grade 58mm dual-spout portafilter, a 1-cup basket, 2-cup basket, pod basket, a 2-sided solid aluminum tamper. One end measures 57 millimeters and the other end measures 53 millimeters. A plastic scoop, 1 pack of descaler, and an instruction manual with a quick start guide. The water tank is easily accessible from the right side of the machine. The hose comes with a particle filter attached, but we recommend installing a water softener. The brass boiler is nickel plated, which helps reduce limescale. The boiler is situated right over the group head, which allows the water to be evenly heated. Some other models have the boiler offset from the group head. This is the overpressure valve. From this angle, you will turn the nut counterclockwise to reduce pressure and clockwise to increase pressure. If your machine overheats, the safety thermostat is located on the side of the boiler. To reset your machine, you push the button in. The left switch is for power. The light underneath will turn on and show that the machine is powered on. We've preheated this machine, but it usually takes about 20 minutes for the machine and group head to fully heat. The next switch is for coffee. The light underneath will turn on and show the heating element is active. The next switch is for hot water. You activate the switch and turn the knob on the right counterclockwise. The next switch is for steam. The light underneath, just like the coffee light, shows the heating element is active. It will heat the water in the boiler to a higher temperature to generate steam. When the light turns off, this means the machine has full steam capacity. There might be a little water in the steam wand already. Turn the knob to let that water out. Like most single boiler, dual-purpose espresso machines, there is no auto refill of the boiler. It is very important to run water through the steam wand after every time you steam. You want your portafilter to be hot to the touch. And you want to loosely overfill your portafilter basket with coffee. And scrape off any excess. You want to press down evenly using your pointer and thumb as a guide. You want the top rim of the tamper to be even with the top rim of the portafilter. The extraction should take anywhere from 5 to 7 seconds. The steel Uno has very strong steaming capabilities. When you steam, you'll turn the steam wand slightly as you build swivel motions in the milk. You want to increase steam as needed. If you're steaming 20 ounces of milk, it should only take about 20 to 25 seconds. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative. If you have any further questions, please contact our sales department or visit our website. Thank you and have a great day.